With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is select the odd out with respect to the botanical gardens. So options are collection of living plants for reference. Indian Botanical Garden is at Howrah. Collection of preserved plants and animal specimens. So here we will see about the botanical gardens. Botanical garden. These are the botanical garden. We can say that these are the uh, man-made ecosystem or man-made gardens which are dedicated to collection. These are dedicated to which are being formed for the collection, cultivation, preservation of a wide array of a wide range of plants labeled with their botanical names. It is being labeled with their botanical names. That is the botanical garden. It is a place where the all wide range of plants, they are being conserved, they are being preserved, cultivated and kept as a specimens for labeled with their botanical names. So now botanical gardens have a various activities. It is the major uses and major role of botanical gardens are to available the plant for the scientific research, availability of the plant. It provides the plant availability of plants for scientific research, display of display of plant diversity, it preservation of the plant diversity, maintenance of the plant diversity. Can say that the maintenance of plant diversity, it included the normal plants and vary from the exotic plants and the greenhouse plants, all kind of plants, and also the plants of economic significance are also being cultivated. Then uses of plants to study in plant taxonomy, their uses in studies in taxonomy, biochemistry, to study their biochemistry, all kind of studies are being done. So there are multiple purposes. Even botanical garden are used by the students and the botanists to having a tours and get knowledge, better idea of the plants. And botanical garden are usually associated with herbarium also, in which the specimens of plants and the their specimens are being preserved. So here we will see the options. Option is we firstly in the question they have said select the odd one out which is not related to botanical garden. First one is collection of living plants for reference. This is correct, but because botanical garden is meant to be collect the plants which is used for reference for studies, so this is correct. So we can say that this is not the odd one out, this is incorrect option, otherwise this is the correct statement. Next in Indian Botanical Garden is at Havra. So if we'll see the Indian Botanical Garden, here we will see the Indian Botanical Garden. It was a previous name, Indian Botanical Garden. Nowadays, this Indian Botanical Garden is being named as the Jagdish Chandra Bose. Acharya Jagdish Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden. It is being named by this Acharya Jagdish Chandra Botanic Garden. It is situated at Shibpur, Havra, near Kolkata. Near Kolkata. Near Kolkata. So this is the location of the Indian Botanic Garden, which was previously called by this name. Nowadays it is called as the Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose. So in the options they have said Indian Botanical Garden is at Havra. This is correct. Here we can say that it is at the Havra. So again, this is a correct statement, but this is not the odd one out. So we can say that incorrect option. Next is a collection of preserved plants and animal specimen. This is wrong statement because plants can be preserved in the herbarium because botanical garden are usually associated with the herbarium, but in animal specimen, these are not at all present in the botanical garden. These are only meant to be deal with the plants. So we can say that this is the wrong statement, or we can say the odd one out. So correct option is our option C. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.